Welcome, fellow nature explorers who are always thirsty for beauty. Today, let's reflect on the wonders of microlife by exploring the story of the bee hummingbird, an enchanting species of hummingbird. Despite their tiny size, the beauty they bring is far beyond what our eyes can see with the naked eye. With its almost imperceptible weight, the bee hummingbird is able to create beautiful dances in the sky. However, how do they overcome the challenges of living at high altitudes in weather that is not always friendly? Let's explore the miraculous adaptation and astonishing speed of these smallest hummingbirds, a truly inspiring life story. The bee hummingbird's adaptations include a number of unique features that allow it to adapt and survive in its typical environment. Here are some aspects of the adaptation that stand out. The bee hummingbird is the smallest hummingbird in the world, with a body length of only a few centimeters. Their very small body size allows them to reach nectar in flowers that even other hummingbirds find difficult to reach, giving them the advantage of access to an exclusive food source. Even though they are small, bee hummingbirds have extraordinary fast flight capabilities and impressive agility. They can move quickly between widely distributed flowers, maximizing nectar collection and avoiding potential predators. The bee hummingbird's wings have a high vibration frequency, reaching hundreds of beats per second. This high wing speed supports their ability to perch in the air and collect nectar with high efficiency. Just like hummingbirds in general, bee hummingbirds have a very high metabolism. This is suited to their high energy requirements to support intense flight activities and maintain their body temperature at optimal levels. Bee hummingbirds have color-sensitive eyes, helping them identify colored flowers that imply nectar availability. This ability is critical to efficiently locating food sources. These adaptations give the bee hummingbird an advantage in finding food and avoiding danger in different environments, inspiring awe at the diversity of survival strategies in nature. Through the lens of microphotography, we will journey into the unseen world of the bee hummingbird. Witness the intimacy of every feather and its stunning color, opening a new window on often overlooked microlife. Prepare yourself to be blown away by the small details that reveal the grandeur of life. Let's take a look at the details and unique character of the bee hummingbird. Details and unique characters of bee hummingbird. The male bee hummingbird has a distinctive helmet and a striking blue neck. This color is a visual marker and plays a role in attracting mates during the mating season, a stunning display of nature's micro-beauty. Bee hummingbirds are known for their highly skilled and agile flights. They are able to hover in the air like helicopters and can even fly backwards. This ability allows them to explore flowers that are difficult for other birds to reach. Even though it is small, the bee hummingbird has a unique sound. The tinkling or hissing sound their wings make while flying lends a magical touch to the experience of listening to them. This sound is often considered a symbol of their presence around them. Bee hummingbirds are found in habitats spread across Central America and the Caribbean, especially in forests and parks with a variety of colorful flowers. The combination of their micro-size, striking coloration, and unique behavior makes the hummingbird one of nature's micro-miracles that deserves to be respected and protected. Behind its beauty, the bee hummingbird faces serious threats to its survival. The alarming population decline demands difficult questions. What is causing it, and what can we do to reverse this trend? Let's build a relationship with this microlife and find ways to keep this beauty shining in our nature. Let's look at the causes and what steps must be taken to maintain the bee hummingbird population. Changes in land use, deforestation, and urban expansion have caused the loss of the bee hummingbird's natural habitat. Without suitable habitat, they lose places to feed and reproduce. Climate change can affect the availability of natural resources, including flowers, which are the main food source for bee hummingbirds. Changes in weather patterns and seasons can disrupt their life cycles and migration. Air and water pollution can damage the ecosystem where bee hummingbirds live. Harmful chemicals from pesticides and pollution can harm bird health and the availability of food sources. Habitat shrinkage also increases competition with other hummingbird species for nectar. Intense competition can lead to scarcity of food resources. Protecting and restoring the bee hummingbird's native habitat is key to reversing population decline. This involves conserving land, replanting vegetation, and protecting areas that are important for the survival of the species. Strengthening climate change mitigation efforts and reducing environmental pollution is very important. Adopting sustainable agricultural practices and switching to renewable energy sources can help protect the bee hummingbird's habitat. Promoting further research on the behavior, needs, and threats to bee hummingbirds can provide necessary insights for conservation efforts. Public education about the importance of conservation and the efforts that can be taken is also an integral part of the solution. Ensure the availability of sufficient natural resources for bee hummingbirds, such as nectar-bearing flowers, through ecosystem protection and sustainable park and land management. Involving local communities, governments, conservation organizations, and scientists in conservation efforts are key steps to maintain the sustainability of bee hummingbird populations. With coordinated action, we can provide the protections necessary to ensure the survival of this unique species. Thank you for following our journey to explore the beauty and mystery of the bee hummingbird. As we close this chapter, let us take home a sense of awe for the wonders of everyday life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with others to support the preservation of this micro-life. See you on your next adventure, where beauty is always waiting to be revealed.